Hi, my name is Valerie and I will guide you through your spiritual journey. I'm just starting my YouTube channel and it's just such a foreign concept to me. I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest, but I want to share my knowledge, and if you want to see more spiritual content, follow my channel. So today we are going to talk about chakras. I know a lot of people heard about chakras but just don't know what to do with them. So here's what you've been looking for. There are a lot of different ways to open and balance your chakras, such as Kundalini Yoga, for example. There are a lot of teachers on YouTube. Just choose what you like and start your daily practice. Of course, there is meditation, and by the way, I'm preparing a meditation for opening chakras, and it will be out very soon, so make sure you don't miss it. And there is crystal healing. You can wear crystals on your body or hold them in your hands or sleep with them, or you can also place them on your body when you meditate for a better experience. You can also incorporate specific foods in your daily life. You can just look at the color of fruit and vegetables, and it will help you to understand what chakra it is good for. You can also wear certain colors or paint your nails in the color of a chakra you want to open. Just as simple as that. And of course, you can use essential oils that are associated with the different chakras. For example, a lot of people have an imbalanced root chakra. The root chakra, or Muladhara, is located at the base of our spine, and it is like a door for the Kundalini energy, or the energy of the universe, call it whatever you like. The root chakra is also considered as the foundation of life, or the base of life, and it helps to stabilize the sensation of feeling grounded and withstand any challenges that come into the way of life. The root chakra is largely responsible for the sense of stability and security. So when your root chakra is imbalanced, you suffer from anxiety and depression, and you lack consistency and have a lot of fears, which lead to struggle with money. So when you start working with chakras and learn about spirituality, you have to start from the root chakra. Eat more red fruit and vegetables. Wear red clothes more often. And you can also use patchouli essential oil. And of course, you have to meditate. So this is all you have to know to start working with chakras. I hope this information was useful to you. If it was, please leave the thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more about other chakras. And thank you for your time and attention. Namaste.